Welcome everyone to this course where we learn drawing and painting from the very beginning. If you are looking for learning drawing but you have no previous experience ever, then this is the correct place for you to start. This course will cover all the subjects in the description box. In this introduction episode, we will speak about tools needed as basics. Pencil, for instance, is a very important tool, and it can be used to do many things. Sometimes a whole sketch is done by using only a pencil. We will see this in the upcoming episodes. Of course, pencil requires a sharpener and an eraser. A sketchbook, one of the requirements. It is where we do our paints. Canvases and other media also used, but we'll speak about them on the upcoming episodes. I just have bought this E3 quality sketchbook for us to start our course. A color set, this time pencil color set, because we use sketches. Otherwise, if you are using canvases, then oil colors or watercolors might be used. This will be explained in details in the upcoming episodes. In the next episode, we will start our first painting sketch. But for the meantime, let us see those quality pencil colors. This is German Faber-Castell Polychromos 60 pieces color pencils, hexagonal color pencils. Oh no, they are circular, cylindrical. Very nice, and we are going to use them very much. I'm going to show you the other 30 colors, which are the first layer. And here we are. This is the second layer of other colors. As you can see, we have various variety of colors that we are going to use. I really recommend them because they are oil-based and easy to use. You will see on the next episodes how they are going to be helpful, because we will talk about a lot of concepts like blending, layering, shading, burnishing, texturing, and your sketch. Your sketch this time is not an Arduino sketch. It is your drawing, okay? So we are going to talk about these things, and all these phases you are going to, you will need colors like this, high quality colors. I recommend them so much. There are wax-based pencil colors, but they will be used in something else. Actually, our drawing are going to be in the realism way. So if you like that, of course we will do other types of skulls as tutorials. But when you want to write a real, to draw a real draw for something, definitely those are going to be very helpful for you. Faber-Castell, German made. Thanks, Germany.